thinks Lala is gonna dance. Now you try. Okay. Well, did that work? Did that get rid of the hiccups? I think so. Yeah, I really think. Well, that's just bullcrap. Lala's, Nunu's, Tom's, and Beth's thingy didn't work. Where did Delaney go? Yeah! There she is. Woo! Alright, Dipsy, it's your turn. Here, move. What gets rid of my hiccups, you ask? Well, let's see. What gets rid of... Oh, I think I know. Is to eat a chocolate bar. You know I hate chocolate bars. Oh. What else? Let's see. Spinning around 5 times. Well, I guess that's pretty fair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, do you hear any hiccups? I think it worked. Aww. Dipsies, Lala's, Nunu's, Tom's, and Beth's didn't work. Yeah! Tinky Winky, go. Yes, Tinky Winky, it's your turn. Ah! You alright, Delaney? Yeah, I'm fine. Let's get rid of my hiccups, you ask? By marching. Marching? Yes, marching. got to be joking. Go, Poe. Okay, I'm marching. All right, do you hear any hiccups? It might be gone. Aww. Looks like Tinky Winkies, Dipsies, Lalas, Noo-Noos, Toms, and Beths didn't work. Yeah! Okay, Delaney, why do you always say yeah whenever I say that Poe's hiccups didn't work? I don't know. Okay. Last but not least is DLR. Oh, geez. What gets rid of my hiccups? Well, I take a drink. It relaxes my throat a little bit. Really? Do you want me to try it? Yeah. Okay, I'll just drink this. Did it get rid of the hiccups? I think. Aww. Looks like the DLR, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Lala, Noo-Noo, Toms, and Beths hiccups didn't work. Yeah! We give up. We don't even know what gets rid of the hiccups. I need some help. Did somebody say help? Who's that? That kind of sounds like Phineas! He is Phineas. He is a tough guy. He has a triangle for its nose. Oh, yeah. Oh. He is Phineas. He is so cool. His favorite season is summer. I am Phineas. I am Phineas. He is Phineas. Poe, I am here to help. Oh boy, thanks Phineas. Well, what's been troubling ya? I have the hiccups. Hiccups alert! My friend Isabella has the hiccups, and to get rid of the hiccups is to scare someone. Well, you know, I'm not a big fan of scaring people, but I don't know. Hey, Poe, can I talk to your friends privately? Sure. This should be interesting. Oh, hello, Pineapple. I didn't see you there. Yeah, there was an extra pineapple that was actually left in the fridge. Okay, but what, Phineas? We should build a haunted house to scare her. Well, you've got to the right people. Let's get building. And scarying. Oh, so I'm not the part of this, am I? Crap, I hate you. I hate you all. I hate you all. I'm kidding. I love you. Do your best. Thanks. We're gonna need that. Alright, let's give Poe a little scare. Let's get building. Hey, guys, are you done with the, guys? Is that a haunted mansion? I'm afraid of haunted mansions. Oh, man. Crap. And that was the most squeakiest hiccup I have ever heard. Oh, I don't want to laugh either. But it didn't work, Phineas. What else do you got? Oh, we've got plenty. If you're up for it. I, guess so.
Let's tiptoe into the dark.
One little scare how to do that.
To find our fight much worse than our bar.
One little scare how to do you some good.
If you should find a daily grind, a tad attachment on the mind to help a mind that's so inclined, I have a small
Suggestion.
If you dare into my lair, you should prepare for
Quite a scare.
you share, and this time that would be my only
Question. Boo. Boo, I say. Tom? Oh, I am not Tom. I am the scariest thing. The bloody skeleton killer. We'll catch you up later. You can run, but you cannot hide from me.
If your head eyes like a thin
One little scare how to do that.
come with me now, don't be a will.
One little scare how to do you some good. Hello, Tiggy Winky? Behold, the face of evil. You're Barney? What the bullcraps? I thought you were going to be something scary. She is scary, man. He is scary, man. He gives me the willies. Barney gives you the willies? Yes. We'll catch you up later. Wash away the horror.
That is why that I would delight in taking flight into the night. If I may give you such a fright, you know I surely would. But if I see a big dream in my attempts to make you scream, remember that the spooky scheme
Will cure your hiccups for good. One little scare out to do you some good. So, did it work, Poe? I was afraid she was gonna do that. Now what are we gonna do? Ferb is gonna round it up by this thing. That'll give her a little more scariness. A lot of more scariness. We'll get rid of her hiccups for sure. If we just wind it up and then the lightning should be more acceptable. I don't know, Phineas. I don't know. It might work. Don't worry, Poe. It will be. I promise. Okay. If you say so. Hey, guys. Where did you go? This haunted mansion seems pretty scary. So I'm checking to see how it's doing. Ah! Wow! It's working! Keep winding it up, Ferb. Oh, no, 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 no. Ah!
Whoa, too much, Ferb. Too much.
What?
Look down.
Ah! What was that? I don't know. Delaney? Guys, what's going on here? I am really, really scared of these haunted stuff. Guys? The haunted mansion is rumbling. It's rumbling? Come on, guys, we gotta get out of here. You said that again, Beth. Let's go.